2, 3, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. And how are you? In the morning. Good morning. And how are you? Hi guys. I'm back. I wish you could see you guys all. I wish you could see all of your faces because I miss you guys so much. I have something fun to do today, but we have to get through a few things first. First of all, I would like to know, how are you feeling? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad? Do you feel angry? Or do you feel a little sleepy? Miss Hogan feels pretty happy today, but I sure do miss all of you guys, which still makes me feel a little sad. All right, let's get started with our messages for the morning. Wait, Miss Hogan forgot. How could I forget? I wish you well. I wish you well. All through the day today, I wish you well. Sending out my well wishes, Spider-Man. All right, and for the rest of you, well, all of you, because we've all been gone. You've been gone and you've been missed. Where would you like your butterfly kiss? All right, guys, now we can start our messages. The first message, I see only one dot. So let's write our number 1. Come right down, and that is all to make a number 1. I just wanted to remind you guys, we need to use our looking eyes, our listening ears, and our voices for our messages this morning. All right, moving on. We have 1, 2 dots. So we're going to draw our number 2, curve around and slide to the right to make a number 2. I don't see anything on this message. It's kind of a special message. Does anybody remember what happened to our promise pool before we left school? Yep, it was broken. It was an accident. But while we've been gone, Miss Hogan's been working on a new one. So I just wanted to remind you guys to be safe, be kind, and be helpful. But those are school rules. We can still do all of these things at home. We still can be safe by using our walking feet and keeping our feet on the floor. And if we're outside on our bike, make sure you're using your looking eyes. So you make sure that there's not a car coming, so you keep your body safe. Be helpful, be kind. We can be kind at home. When we're kind at home, we can use our listening ears and be kind with our words. We can share our toys with our siblings. We can listen to Mom and Dad when they ask us to do something. That's very kind. It's also helpful to use your listening ears because if Mom and Dad need your help, then you can hear them. If they need you to keep the house safe by being helpful and cleaning up your toys. See guys, there are so many ways we can be safe, kind, and helpful at home, just like when we were at school. And I know that you guys can be safe, kind, and helpful because we did it at school. So while we have the Safekeeper box out, I'm going to put all of you guys in the promise pool. And I hope that all of you can try to be safe, kind, and helpful today at home. All right, let's move on to the next message. 1, 2, 3. Curve around and around again to make a number 3. I'm just going to pull this off and make it a little closer for you. This word says shape. Today, we are going to go on a shape hunt. We're going to do this all together. I have a few cards that tell us what shape we're going to look for. So we need to find a square. I know that it's a square because 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides that are all the same. A heart, we know our heart because it tells us to be kind. A rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides just like the square, but the top line and the bottom line are longer. A circle. You're right, it is a circle because it has no sides. And the last one, does anybody know what it is? If you said triangle, you're right. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. So, we are going to go outside of Miss Hogan's house, and we are going to walk around my yard and see if we can find any of these shapes. All right, guys, here we are. We are outside of Miss Hogan's house, and I'm just looking around. Does anybody see any shapes? Do you see a circle? I see a circle. Do you see the tire on this car? It is a circle. And if you look inside of the circle, this part is almost like a triangle. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if we can find any others. Oh, look at this garbage can. What shape do you think the garbage can is? You're right. It is a rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but 2 of the sides are longer than the other ones. I am going to just turn around right here. Sorry. And I see another one. This is also a rectangle because this side and this side are much longer than the other sides. All right, let's keep looking along. I remember that we were supposed to find, we found a circle and a rectangle. Ooh, I see a heart. Can you see the hearts in Miss Hogan's window? But if we look at the window, it looks like it is 2 squares put together to make a rectangle. The window is a rectangle. Let's see what else we can find at Miss Hogan's house. Oh, I see some more windows that looks like it's 2 squares to make a rectangle. What else do we see at Miss Hogan's house? I'm trying to find, I know we have to find a triangle, but let's see what other shapes we can find outside of Miss Hogan's house. Oh, look at the hose. It is in a circle because it has no sides. Oh, what shape is this table? You're right. It's a rectangle because it's got two sides longer than the others. I'm going to come right over here. I see another circle. The fire pit is a circle because it has no sides. But that green chair, if you look at the part that you sit on, it looks like it might be a square because it has 4 sides. All right. Looking around. Oh, do you see that window behind me? That is a triangle. It only has 3 sides. And these trees behind me also look like they only have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. They look just like a triangle. Alright guys, it sure was fun to get outside with you today and have a shape hunt. You guys can do this at home. You can do it in your bathroom. You can do it while you're driving around in the car. You can look for shapes anywhere in your house. I hope you guys all have a super great day. Bye for now.